Hello everyone, let's continue our wall topic. So, in the last lecture, let me select the wall and wall architect. Now, let me first introduce this thing. What are actually these things are? Basically, you can see a number of tools, or you can see here number of tools are open. So basically, these tools are known as modification tools, and you can see here new tabs are also open. So this tab is known as modification panel. Basically, sorry, new panel is open. So this panel is known as modification panel, and you can see here is a new tool. Here is a one tool is known as property tool. So let me click on this, and you can see here a new window is open. So what is basically property window? Whenever any element you are drawing in your Revit file, so for each element, there is a property tab. You can whatever data you wanted to see about that particular element, you can see in the property tab basically, right? So right now, I just wanted to explain about this location line. What is this location line is exactly? Here are a number of things: wall center, core center, finish space exterior, finish space interior, core exterior, core space interior. What are these things? In this lecture, I just wanted to explain this one only. So for that, firstly, let me click on this drop down in the property tab, and now you can see here number of walls are you can see here in this option. Okay, and right now till that we have worked in wall topic. We have just used our generic 200 walls. What is generic wall basically? You know what is generic wall? Any wall basically when you are at a design stage and you are designing your building bungalow whatever it is, so and at that time you don't have any clarity any idea about the what what interior things what material you are going to apply it on your wall on your brick wall basically. Your wall will be just plaster finish sanded plaster, or it will be a paint finish, or you will just put a glaze on it, what or any other tiles, any kind of interior material you are gonna put. You don't have basically any idea. So at that time you just place generic wall in your drawing. So basically this generic wall will give a clear idea to the builder, to the contractor, basically where actually on the site where the wall gonna be construct. Just for that purpose later the things they can decide. Just to plan their things, we will give the generic wall. Now to understand this the location line, let me select any one of the wall from here. Now let me select which one. Let me select this one only, and I will go in the edit type. What is edit thing? I will explain this one in later. Okay. So as of now, you can see uh, how this wall is look like actually. Okay. So you can see how this wall is looking. This see how this wall is looking. You can zoom it from here also. So a similar wall I have drawn here. You can see here. So for this wall, I have just written here what is the uh, exterior wall. This is exterior side of wall, finished exterior, and this one is interior side of the wall, finished interior. Now you will gonna ask me, how do I know this one is finished with exterior and this one is finished with interior? Actually, here it doesn't written anything. Not here, not in this drawing one, not also here also. Where which one is exterior, which one is interior. So I will explain this thing you later. How to identify which side is exterior and which side is interior. As of now, just you assume this one is exterior and this one is interior. And for complete wall, you can see this is our wall center line. Okay. Now you can see this one is our core wall. Okay, so for core wall, this is core wall exterior face, and this one is core wall interior face, and this one is center line of the core wall. So basically why I shown this and this one now, to just explain you how the location line work. So currently I have selected this wall only. Okay, so let me draw this wall. You can see I am drawing the wall. Currently, you can see it is selected a core face exterior, and core face. I'm not sure what. Yeah, they will let me select the wall again. Wall architect, and let me start with wall center line. Okay, now you can see. You see this blue line when we are drawing the wall. You can see this blue line here. I hope you can see this blue line. So what is this blue line? Currently we are selected wall center line. So you can see what is wall center line. Wall center line basically the center line of the complete wall. So you can see whenever we are drawing the wall, right? So you can see this is the center line of the our wall. See, it will take the reference as the center line of our wall. Okay. Basically it will help you to identify. It will make easy while you are making your dimension with the see. You can see uh, below the dimension. We will see later how it will help us. Basically, as of now, just see what are these things in exactly. So now let me select the wall face exterior, uh, finish face exterior. Now, when I'm selecting the finish face exterior, you can see this blue line is going the exterior face of the wall. See, it is going the exterior face of the wall. Can you see it? This is going on the exterior face of the wall. See, it is taking the dimension from the your exterior face only. See, hope you are understanding what I'm trying to show you. And now let me show you more example. Uh, let me select the Now let me select the uh, core face exterior. Yeah, let me select the core face exterior, and then now see this is not going to your center. You can see it is not exactly at your center. It is uh, going the center line of your not center line. It is going the exterior face of your wall, core center with core exterior basically. See, it is going through the core exterior face of the wall. See, okay. Now, for selecting, let me exit from the wall. Now, let me select the core face. Uh, what core face center? Where is core center line? Yeah, sorry, core center line. So, for drawing the core center line, see, now it is going through the center line of your core wall. See, here it is. You can see the wall, right? See, it is taking dimension from your core center line only. It will help you once you are drawing the plan. See, I have already shown you here what are these things exactly, right? So I hope this topic is clear to you. What is the location line are? Hope let me exit from the command. How to exit from the command? Just press two times the escape button. Yeah, you will be just out of your command. Now, do you remember how if you want to, to delete this wall, how can I? You can either select and press delete one by one, or you can basically select just by selection area, right? When you are making selection area from left to right, then you can see uh, the element which are coming completely inside are only get selected, while when you are making the selection area from the right to left, the element which are just touching also the selected area or also get completely selected, and we can delete them, right? Yeah. That's the things I just wanted to convey. And rest thing we'll see in the next lecture. Okay.